Hi everyone! Today we're going to teach you how to make our tapioca pearls in under 5 minutes. For one serving, you're going to need 1/3 cup of tapioca pearls and 1.5 cups of water. The first step is to bring your water to a boil in a large pot. You can double or triple this recipe like we did here. After adding your pearls slowly, lightly stir until all the pearls float to the surface. Then cook on medium to high heat for 2 to 3 minutes or until it reaches your desired chewiness. Then turn off your heat and drain your pearls. This is optional, but you can rinse them in cold water to stop them from cooking further. Mix in roughly 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar or your choice of sweetener. Let this soak for at least 5 minutes while you prepare your drink. This will make your pearls nice and sweet. Now the final step is to add your pearls to your choice of drink or dessert. Today we're adding them to our homemade brown sugar milk tea. All ingredients and tutorials can be found in the description of this video. Click on the link for more. Enjoy!